tell you this right now. I may not be the most knowledgeable guy, the most funny guy. I stream on Twitch, link in the description by the way, and I just wanted to let you guys know about 5 YouTubers that I like watch religiously. I like watch them like all the time. So like I'm not saying I'm like giving up or anything. I just feel like if you guys want to see some cool YouTubers that you may not know about, this is the video for that. So I guess like let's get this started. So the first YouTuber I'm going to be talking about is basically a collective of 3 different people, and their channel is called Alpha Gaming. If you're a Twitch streamer like me and you always wanted to know how to grow your channel, how to reach more people, from lighting to cameras to capture cards to social media strategies, microphones and audio mixers, OBS settings, editing and budgets, and just plain old all that fun stuff, I definitely highly recommend them, because if it wasn't for them and their guidance, I'd probably be lost. These guys are definitely the way to go. The first guy in Alpha Gaming is Harris Heller. This guy is amazing. This guy's so freaking cool. He's got like anime hair in real life. He's like basically the face of the channel. He's awesome, man. Like, I really look up to this guy. The next guy is Sam Woodhall, and this guy is also amazing as heck, and he's basically the editor of the Alpha Gaming channel. From what I've seen, the guy is the Da Vinci of content creation. Like, this guy knows a lot about graphic design and editing and stuff like that. He's really good. I highly recommend him. Then we got Lemonade. This guy is the third part of Alpha Gaming. This guy's hilarious. He's really funny. I think he deserves a lot more viewers, in my opinion. I watch him from time to time. He's crazy at Apex. Basically, he carries everybody on the team, like, no lie. This guy is an amazing gamer. And I'm pretty sure Harris and Sam also know that, because Harris, he actually made an emoji, which is basically 2 hands and a lemon, which basically states that he carries them. He's like the backpack of the crew, and he's really crazy good at computers, and he does all this like server stuff. He's really awesome, man. And honestly, I think you guys should check him out too. So yeah, again, if you're a Twitch streamer like me, or any type of streamer from Facebook to YouTube to Twitch or Mix, or wait, that's not a thing no more. Sorry. Also, with everything that's been going on Twitch, with everyone getting copyright strikes for playing music that they do not own, Alpha Gaming has came out with something called Stream Beats, and basically this is copyright free / royalty free music for streamers like you and me to use on their streams or YouTube videos without the worry about a copyright strike. So yeah, you guys, check them out. Alpha Gaming. They also have a Discord, which is the top Discord server in the education category. Highly recommend them, yo. Check them out. Now this next YouTuber is another one of my favorites. His name is Christopher Yee. And if you're a person who doesn't know much about PCs or keyboard building, this guy is amazing. He is like the PC building god, like, for real, man. He has videos telling you how to build PCs, great budgets on PCs. The guy is hilarious as well. He's really funny, really good at improv and things like that. He has a great community full of funny people, and yeah, man, I highly recommend him too. So if you like want to build a PC one day and you like, you're totally lost, check out Christopher Yee on YouTube, because he's great as well. He just needs to stream more. He doesn't really have a schedule on Twitch, so you basically need to be in his Discord, which is the Christopher Yee Discord. And yeah, like I said, he's a great PC builder. He builds amazing custom PCs for people. He's built PCs for the Offline TV channel. So yeah, I highly recommend Christopher Yee to you guys. If you're into PC building or keyboard building and you want to get into it, he's a great YouTuber. Now this next guy is another great YouTuber. He's also a photographer and a cinematographer. His name is Peter McKinnon, and I swear to God, man, every time I watch his YouTube videos, it's almost like watching a movie, man. This guy is amazing. Like, hands down amazing. And he drinks coffee like me. He's also from Canada like me. Like, this guy's videos are just amazing. He does so many sorts of different things. He's got a real nice truck and like a crazy studio. It's called like the Cage. It's so awesome, man. Every video is like watching a movie. I'm not lying. Like, it's so great. I love it, man, and I think you guys would love it too. He's also a great photographer, man. Like, all his photos are like on Squarespace and stuff, and like, it's awesome, man. He's so dope. I highly recommend him to you guys, like, for real. Again, his name is Peter McKinnon. Check him out. He's an amazing YouTuber, a great photographer, a great cinematographer. This guy is dope, man. Really highly recommend him. Like, really. Now, this next guy, his name is Nutty. And this guy is hilarious. All his videos have amazing jokes in them, and this guy is smart as heck. You guys ever wonder how I have those cool channel point rewards where you guys can make things pop up on screen, things like that? Well, that's where I learned it, man. Nutty, or Nutella Forever. He is a great YouTuber, and he's an awesome Twitch streamer. I watch him all the time. Every time I'm in there, we always have good times. Lots of funny stuff happens. He does a lot of crazy, creative things with his channel point stuff. I highly recommend him. Again, his name is Nutty on YouTube and Twitch. He's dope, man. So be sure to check him out, man. He's pretty dope. He also shows a lot of cool things that you can do with OBS, like audio crossfading, which I don't even really understand yet. I'm still trying to learn it. He also showed me about the stream effects plugins that are additions for OBS, things like that. So if you guys are interested in anything like that, be sure to check out Nutty, yo, because he's a dope ass person, and I think, yeah, I think you guys would like it. One of the reasons why I like watching Nutty is because he plays retro games and he's really funny. Like I said, Nutty is dope, man. I really think you guys would like his stream. A lot of funny things take place in his stream, a lot of creative things, and he's always trying to make new and better things. He shows a lot of stuff with Leorn board. That's the program that I use for the channel points, sorry. And yeah, I think you guys would really like it, yo. Be sure to check it out. Now this next guy is also amazing. His YouTube is called SSJ9K. This guy is an animator who has a love for anime like myself, specifically Dragon Ball, which is my favorite anime. And yeah, this guy does crazy animations and raps, like freestyles, like anime freestyles. They're hilarious, man. He's got like Goku versus Naruto and stuff like that, like Goku versus All Might, a whole bunch of different things. A lot of great songs are in there too. Like, he made this song, which is like a cover song. You guys know that song that's like, Kiki, do you love me? Well, he did a song called Chi Chi, do you love me? It's hilarious. Like I said, SSJ9K is an amazing YouTuber. I'm not sure if he streams on Twitch, but I know he's a great YouTuber, and I think you guys would really like it, especially if you guys like music, specifically anime music and freestyle raps, things like that, battles and stuff like that. SSJ9K is probably my favorite, like, anime freestyle rapper. Like, he's really dope. He's really cool, man, and I really like his channel as well. So be sure to check that out too, you guys. It's really dope, really cool, and yeah, man. Oh, I hope you guys like that guy too, because he's dope and I really like his stuff. Well, that's it, you guys. That's 5 YouTubers that I really like on YouTube. They're amazing. I really like them, and I really highly recommend them to you guys, especially Alpha Gaming, Peter McKinnon, Christopher Yee, Nutty, SSJ9K. They're all great YouTubers, and maybe if you guys watch them, you might come up with something for your own ideas. So I really highly recommend them to you guys. And yeah, for those of you who are new, my name is CodyYouKnowMe. I stream every weekend at 11 p.m. Mountain Standard Time on Twitch. Link in the description below. I also have a dope Discord called the Chill Spot, so be sure to check that out too because there's a bunch of people who are just waiting for more people to join. So be sure to check that out if you guys want to talk about anything from memes to venting. So if you guys want to talk about the current situation that's going on right now, all this messed up stuff about this coronavirus and stuff, be sure to check that out. We got a lot of different things to talk about in there. If you like showing pictures of your food or taking selfies, we got a lot of different things to talk about and a lot of different channels so we can have different topics to talk about. Be sure to check out the Chill Spot. Link in the description will be below. So yeah, you guys, like I said, my name's CodyYouKnowMe. I hope you guys have a great day. I want to thank you guys for viewing the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell so you know every time I post another video. And yeah, yo, I appreciate you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day, yo. I'm CodyYouKnowMe, and we'll see you next time. Peace. To what's mine, and even though it's a long read, I'll keep